Hello, we're opening these. I haven't made a video in a while because I haven't been able to find any Pokemon anywhere. So, we're going to start with this one. I'm going to put these over here. These have 2 packs. So, we're just going to see what these... Oh yeah, it comes with a jumbo card as well. So, who did we get? Let's see, 3. Wait, it comes with 3. Oh, it comes with all 3. I'm an idiot. I got Torchic here. Trico. And Mudkip. He'll be going in the background. And Eternus VMAX just fell. Awesome. Ooh. Chilling Rain. And Sword and Shield. I'm going to start with Sword and Shield because I don't know. I'm bored. Oh yeah, I also bought a bunch of sleeves over there. So code. There we go. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Trainer B. Ordinary Rod. Seaking. Pawniard. Ghastly. Roselia. Goldeen. Clobopus. Gengar. And Cloyster. The Gengar is kind of nice. I like Gengar. Gengar's cool. Okay. Chilling Rain. I like Chilling Rain. That set was good. You know what I'm trying to look for? I'm trying to look for a Rayquaza VMAX. That's gonna be pretty hard to get, but... Okay, I just had to flip it. I'm not... Okay. You know what? I don't... Why did I flip? Oh, hold on. Did I give y'all the code? Stop Eternus. There you go. You can have that. Energy, Trainer, Maloney, Expedition Uniform, Clobopus, Cast Form. I think I see some at the end, boys. Hatnia, Aron, Ralts, Quillfish, and Tornadus V. Okay. That's okay. Quillfish. Alright. Let me just put all these in a stack. All the cards. Alright, we're on to our next one here. These jumbos, we're going to have like 3 of each of these jumbos. That's going to be insane. I'm just going to set these over here. And we're going to open the next one. The Tornadus V, though. Pretty nice. Oh, gosh. I can't open. Some more of the exact same ones. I'm gonna have so many jumbos. Chilling Rain again. Is it always Sword and... It might be always Sword and Shield and, let's go Chilling Rain first. This time. And then we'll end it off on... Here, you know what? Let's open this one. And then we'll just open the packs. After we get all these. So we got... some more. 3 Mudkips. Let's go. And then, yep, okay, so it's always Chilling Rain and Sword and Shield. So, let's do both Sword and Shield first. I think we'll end on Chilling Rain since it's a good set. If I could get this open. Alright. Here we go. 4. Alright. Energy. Galarian. Hitmonchan. Potion. Rhyhorn. Chewtle. Cottonee. Clobopus. Yamper. Shelter. Kickneel. I don't know. Alright. Another Sword and Shield. See if we can get at least one more pull out of all of these here. Out of these out of these 3 right here. Let's see if we can get at least one more pull. Okay. Here's the code. Oh. Hit jaw. Got 4 here. Great. Energy, trainer, ordinary rod, seeking, hoot hoot, mudbray, Grookey, Krabby, Podgy, Professor's Research, and a hollow copper jaw. I don't know. I can't say no. Pokemon. I can't pronounce nothing. Alright, at least we got a hollow though. That's okay. That's good. Alright, which one do we do? Zapdos or is that Shadow Rider? We'll start with Shadow Rider. We'll end on Galarian Zapdos there. What the heck? That's weird how that pack will just opened. Put that over there. Here's Darkhold. Set that over there. Alright. Energy. Trainer, Old Cemetery, Impact Energy, Porygon 2, Heracross, Clobbus, Grookey. Another Art of Grookey. Wow. Okay. Sneasel, Weedle, Venipede, and Zebstrika. I don't know. Once again, I don't know. Ending on Zapdos. Can we get another pull? We've gotten 2 so far. We've gotten a hollow and that Tornadus V, which was pretty good. Pretty epic. I opened it from the wrong way. Alright. Go. Energy, Honey, Avery, Leedian, Aron. See if we can get a pull here, guys. Delbird. Oh. Bye, Delbird. Mareep. Galarian Surfetched. And final card. Regular rare. It's okay, we still got that nice Tornadus V over there. And now we got this whole stack of cards right here. We got 2 different Grookey arts. Wow. That Gengar is pretty nice, though. We're going to have to put that up there in the pull section. I think that's pretty good. We're going to set this over here. Get the codes. Alright. See you guys in the next video. Bye.